Big Bird. Hurry up with your shopping. I want to go home to play LEGO Star Wars, The Skywalker Saga.
I'm in the middle of shopping. Let me finish shopping.
No. I want to go home.
Be quiet, Huxley.
No. Hurry up shopping.
That's it. If you ask me that again, you are grounded.
Hurry up, 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 hurry up.
That's it. You are grounded for the weekend. And no LEGO Star Wars, The Skywalker Saga for you. We are going home now.
Whatever you say, Big Bird. And good riddance. I don't have time to stand here in this store.